Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Asian mushrooms. First, select the freshest mushrooms available, looking for firm, unblemished caps. Clean them by gently wiping with a slightly damp cloth or using a soft brush. Avoid rinsing them under water as they absorb moisture quickly. Trim about 1/4 of an inch from the bottom of any tough stems, then your mushrooms are ready for cooking. To sauté, begin by heating about 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil, like grapeseed or sesame, in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add your prepared mushrooms in a single layer, making sure not to overcrowd the pan, which ensures proper browning. Sauté them for approximately 5 to 7 minutes, stirring only once or twice, until they develop a beautiful golden color and a tender texture, releasing their earthy aroma. To elevate their taste, consider adding aromatics like finely minced garlic or thinly sliced fresh ginger during the final minute of cooking, just before the mushrooms are done. Season generously with a small pinch of sea salt and freshly ground black pepper to enhance their natural savory notes. For an authentic touch, a quick splash of low-sodium soy sauce or a dash of mirin can round out their rich umami flavor profile beautifully. While sautéing is excellent, try roasting them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes, tossed with a little oil, for a more intense, nutty flavor. They also integrate wonderfully into stir-fries. Simply add them during the last 3 or 4 minutes to keep them firm yet tender. Alternatively, simmer whole or sliced mushrooms in your favorite broths for 10 to 15 minutes to create rich, deeply savory soups and stews.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.